Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are doing one of these Dollar Tree geometric candle holders. So I'm using these metal frames from the Dollar Tree. I got them a while ago, but I had no use for them, so I'm using them for this DIY. So I only need the long parts of the frame. So I'm gonna break it off and take the short parts away and get the long ones. I am going to be using the glue sticks with that instead of using E6000 just for the purpose of this video. But feel free to go ahead and use E6000 along with glue sticks. So I'm gonna go ahead and add some. I can't talk today. Some gemstones on the bottom of the mirror. And add the 4 frame pieces on each corner. So it's gonna end up looking like a triangle at the top. This is such a lovely DIY, you guys. You can put your crystals in there, you can put a succulent in there, you can put some candles in there, you can even make it bigger. So it is so amazing and so versatile that you can use them on your tables, on anything. So feel free to be creative with it. Okay, so I'm just adding the last piece to the edge of the mirror, and I'm gonna go ahead and add some glue to the top of the triangle to keep everything in place. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to use these gemstones and just add them on the top of the triangle and on the sides of the mirror as well. Ugh, I tell you, these glue strings are so annoying. They're everywhere. You guys, I never do voiceovers. This is my first voiceover and it's so weird. But anyway, yeah. Okay, so I feel like I don't have enough gems on these, so I'm just gonna add a couple more on the sides of each of the gold, how would you say it, the sides of the frame thing. Oh my god, I just can't talk today. Okay, and as well at the top, I'm gonna add some more on each, like in each corner. Okay, Okay, so this is a finished product, you guys. I hope you like this video and feel free to go ahead and try this out at home. And don't forget to like this video and give me a big thumbs up and leave me a comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe as well. Thank you for watching, you guys. Bye.